This is our manual fertilizer applicator model. So fertilizer is stored in this backpack container which is formed on farmer's pack to using these straps. So when we operate this handle, so fertilizer flows through the pipe and applied directly near the plant roots. So this ensures uniform application, reduce wastage and without electricity.
Therefore, there is a need to develop the low-cost, lightweight, and easy-to-use manual fertilizer applicator.
The project aims to design a low-cost manual fertilizer applicator that reduces farmers' effort and fatigue. It ensures uniform fertilizer distribution, is lightweight, safe, easy to use, and suitable for rural conditions with a total cost of rupees 500.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Sujal and today we are going to present our project named Accident Detection Helmet. Myself, I am going to show you the function of helmet accident.
Nearby medical facilities and
So the features of this project is implementing AI system and biometrics system. We can also reduce the data monitoring the activity.
Good afternoon everyone. Our project title is Unauthorized Water Flow Detecting Farms. In agriculture areas, unauthorized water usage is a major problem. To solve this problem, our project helps in it.
In this project, we are looking at the okay, it works on Hall effect principle, and it has only one farm permission. Like farm 2 has the permission to use the water at a time. When farm 1 or 3 uses water, then it will generate an instant visual alert. LED will glow and it will show on display that is farm alert F1 and rate of that farm which is accessing water illegally, and that's it.
And develop a low-cost, accurate arm gesture. The program controller for a robotic arm capable of operating multiple degrees of freedom.
Objective, provide accurate and stable information from robotic arm movement. We complete low-cost and energy efficient, support multiple models, allow easy reprogramming and calibration, ensure operating system, have wireless connectivity if needed, support feedback-based motion control.
The circuit is mainly on C++ using it creates a gesture of robotic motions and auxiliary animal.
Result, experimental result confirm that gesture control robotic arm is the design of the system as it can effective wireless communication. This is for the enhancement such as advanced sensor.
Good afternoon everyone. Our project title is
My name is Sanjay Kave. This is our project and project name is device to check algorithm.
So the working on this project to check the earth resistance is bore or the not. Potentiometer used for the various soil conditions. When the rotate the potentiometer, the resistance value of resistance increases. and buzzers sounds. And the condition for the good resistance is that the earth resistance should be below or the equal to the 1 ohm. And resistor, the value of 10 kilo ohm resistor is used for this to measure the resistance. Thank you.
My name is Anushka Shekhar and here is my team members Shruti, Sarthak and Neeraj. Today we are going to present our project titled as the production of green hydrogen gas. As you can see here we are using
The project and shipment is mostly happening produced by the fossil fuels, the causes group pollution. I am produced by solar energy in eco-friendly way.
Working of project is we have used a 20 watt solar panel and 2 electrodes anode cathodes which are of graphite. In this project, by this solar panel we are generating 1 to 1.5 ampere electric current. This is direct used in our project. And there are positive and negative charge carriers. Yes, both charge carriers are passed to different anode and cathode. Negative charge particles are passed to cathode electrode and positive charge are passed to anode electrode. And at cathode electrode, hydrogen is formed and at anode electrode, oxygen is formed.
After separating hydrogen and oxygen, storing hydrogen is very important to store safely, and it stored in a strong steel container. The container will be leak-proof and keep away from flame and heat. Under the pressure at 200 to 700 bar, and it can be also stored as a liquid by cooling 253 degrees Celsius, minus 250 degrees Celsius. And application of the hydrogens are there are so many applications in medical field and also chemical industry. In medical field, MRI machines used to cool system. Hydrogen will be used there also, and industrial. Hydrogen also used to produce ammonia, and also it used to as a fuel in vehicles and also rocket. And in rocket also use liquid hydrogen
hydrogen. So in starting, as we said, there in industries lots of hydrogen is produced, but we are producing the hydrogen in a very eco-friendly way. So we are not focusing on in the production. We are focusing in producing it in a very sustainable